Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you my 5 great findings which will be really helpful throughout your pregnancy. So the first product I'm going to introduce to you is this molasses. This molasses, it's organic and you can find it in any store. I bought this one from the superstore. It's not really a high price, it's a very cheap product, but it's a really good source of iron and calcium. So the best part of eating this and taking this molasses is it helps you absorb more calcium and iron from this food as compared to the medicines you're going to take throughout your pregnancy. So iron and calcium are the two most important components you would require. And if I talk about the taste of this molasses will taste a little bitter in the starting, but as you start taking it, it will taste good in later. It's a little sweet and bitter in taste. So you can take this molasses with warm milk, you can add it to your oats, or you can add it to your cornflakes, and it's a very good source. It can be used even after your pregnancy as well. So we can move to our second item, which is this bio oil. This bio oil is really effective. I personally use this bio oil throughout my pregnancy. Even I'm using it right now. I have a 4-month-old baby. This will really help you to get rid of the itchiness you get on your stomach when your skin stretches and the stretch marks you are about to get after your pregnancy. It's really helpful and it's very effective. So this bio oil is available at all the stores. You can buy it from Costco. I bought it from Costco because in Costco with this bigger pack you can get a smaller bag free, but you can buy it from Walmart, Superstore and any drugstore. So the third item I'm going to show you is this legging. This legging is from Time Maternity. So this legging is super comfy in your pregnancy, and it also supports your getting bigger belly. So whenever you go to the Time store, you're going to see the price is a little bit higher as compared to the normal leggings we buy from outside, but trust me guys, I really used it for I think most of my pregnancy, even for first few months after my delivery, because this product is really stretchable, and there are so many other options. You can get this in 3/4 size or the full legging or even the shorts. So this product it's available in Time mostly, but you can also look for such options in Winners as well. And the fourth product I have is it's not a product actually, it's an app which you can install for free in your Android phone or in your iPhone. This is What to Expect app. So this app is really great, and this is something you're going to look forward in your pregnancy. So there are so many things, there are so many experiences which you cannot ask everybody, but this app is like a mother which is guiding the baby. So you can get the weekly videos which will show how the baby is growing inside, and this app is also tell you about the upcoming ultrasound, the upcoming doctor appointments, what to expect in there. And I really find I was more attached to my baby after reviewing these weekly videos. You can involve your partner, you both can sit and watch the videos together. So this app is really great. As you can see, I have a 4-month-old baby, but I'm still using this application because after the baby is born, this application tells you the milestones of the baby. And the fifth product is actually it's something which I personally did not feel was worth spending money. It's a pregnancy pillow, because as your belly gets bigger, you need a little bit of higher and thicker pillows. But these, I tried few of them from the Amazon, but trust me guys, they are not as comfortable as you think, as they show in the pictures. I would rather recommend to use the normal pillow. You can use one pillow behind your back, you can use one pillow below your leg. That's more comfortable, and that will help you to sleep. Even rather than compare to the pregnancy pillow, I would say you can try in your last month especially, you can try sleeping on a recliner with few pillows. That will be more comfortable. I think that's all for today. We're gonna meet you soon with the next 5 important items after pregnancy. Thank you.